Hello everyone, welcome to Satyanush. Now we are here with the second part of progressions. In the first part, we have discussed all the problems and concept of arithmetic progressions. Today we are going to discuss geometric progressions and harmonic progressions. First of all, geometric progressions. A series is said to be in a geometric progression if the common difference between two consecutive terms are t of n by t of n minus 1 is constant. If at all a1, a2, a3, so on, an is a series. Now, how to find whether it is in geometric progression? We have to check the value of r, where r is the common difference, tn, let's take the second, tn, t2, it is a2 by a1, must be equal to, if you take n value as 3, 3 minus 1 is 2, a3 by a2, and so on, a4 by a3. These three values must be equal, then only we can say that the series is in geometric progression. Otherwise, it is not in geometric progressions. And now, r is equals to tn by tn minus 1, right? Now, if r value is equals to 0, then it is said to be constant GP. If r is greater than 1, greater than 0, it is said to be increasing GP. If r is less than 0, it is said to be decreasing GP. Remember this. We have discussed these properties in AP also. Next, properties. In AP, we have a formula to find the nth term of a series. Similarly, in GP also we have a formula. First of all, in AP the nth term would be a plus n minus 1 into d, right? This is the nth term. I have discussed this in the first part, you can check there. Similarly, in GP, if a1, a2, a3, so on, an is a series, then t of n is equals to a r power n minus 1. This is the nth term of this respective GP. If this is in GP, then this is the nth term of this GP. If we take fifth term, t5 is equals to a r power 5 minus 1 is 4, like that, okay? Next, finding the sum of a GP. In AP, we had a formula for finding sum of n terms is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is for AP. But in GP, first of all, let's take an example of ar square, ar cube, so on, ar power n minus 1. This is in a GP or not? You have to find the value of r, which is tn by tn minus 1, right? Let's take the third term. t3 is ar square by t second ar. A gets cancelled and r is the common difference. Okay, r is the common difference. And if you want to add all the terms in the series, a plus, ar square, and so on. For that, the formula is ar if r is equals to 1, a into r power n minus 1 by 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r if r is less than 1, and the next is a of r power n minus 1 by r minus 1 if r is greater than 1. So guys, these are the conditions for finding Sn for a GP. Sn value for a GP is ar if r is equals to 1, A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r if r is less than 1. A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1 if r is greater than 1. Okay. Let's solve some problems now. For solving problems, important formula as we discussed before, ar square, so on, ar power n minus 1. If n tends to infinite, that means S infinite is equals to A by 1 minus r. See, this is a very important formula. Not only in progressions, in many chapters this formula is applicable, like integrations and etc. Okay, must remember this formula. S of infinity is equals to A by 1 minus r. Please take a note. We'll solve problems now. Find the fifth term of 1 by 7, 1 by 14, 1 by 28, so on. First of all, let's check whether the series is in GP or not. Common ratio is equals to 1 by 14 by 1 by 7, 7 1 7 2, so 1 by 2, 1 by 28 by 1 by 14, 14 1s, 14 2s. So 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2. These two are equal. So that is in a GP. Now require the fifth term. As you know the formula, a nth term is equals to, so nth term is equals to a r power n minus 1, right? A is the first term. In any AP or GP or HP, A is the first term always. Now nth term is equals to A is 1 by 7, 1 by 7 into R is 1 by 2 whole power. We need the fifth term, right? Fifth term. So 5 minus 1, 4. 1 by 7 into 1 by 2 power 4, 16. 16 sevens, 1 1 2. Right? 1 by 1 1 2. This is our answer. Fifth term of this series is 1 by 1 1 2. Similarly, if they ask find the sum of let's take 10 terms in this GP. You know this is in GP and R values common ratio is 1 by 2. Simply take the formula. See here R value is less than 1. So I have to take the second formula. 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. See, this is the formula for Sn equals to A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R, where R is less than 1 by 2. So what we require? We require the sum of 10th term. Sum of 10 terms in this GP. So Sn is equals to A is 1 by 7 into 1 minus 1 by 2 whole power n. N is 10, right? 10th term. Up till 10 terms we require by 1 minus 1 by 2. One minus 1 by 2 whole power 10 by here 1 by 2, so we get 2 here. This is our answer. In exam, answer will be in this form only. You can't simplify, right? 1 by 2 power 10 means it gets a big value. As we discussed some properties in AP, there are also some properties in GP similar to that. First one, if A1, A2, A3, so on, AN are in GP, then K1 by A1, K1 by A2, K2 by A3, so on, Kn by, sorry, here K are equal, An or A1 into K, A2 into K, A3 into K, so on, An into K. These two are also in GP. Okay. The next one is if A1, A2, A3, so on, An and B1, B2, B3, so on, Bn are GP. These two series are in GP, then A1, B1, A2, B2, A3, B3, so on, An, Bn are also in GP. But A1 plus or minus B1, A2 plus or minus B2, so on, An plus or minus Bn are not in GP. But in APs, it's different. It's completely reverse of GP. There, A1 plus or minus B1, A2 plus or minus B2, so on, An plus or minus Bn are also in AP, and A1, B1, A2, B2 are not in AP, right? But here, quite opposite to that. And now, let's discuss about harmonic progressions. HP. HP is small topics and there are no formulas in HP. HP is quite reverse of AP. See how I will say, if A1, A2, A3, so on, An are in AP, then every term's reciprocal, that series are in HP, like 1 by A1, 1 by A2, 1 by A3, so on, 1 by A1 are in HP. Okay, this is the only one we have to remember. A1, A2, A3 are in AP, then 1 by A1, 1 by A2, 1 by A3, so on, 1 by An are in HP. Will be in HP, right? Better to understand by doing a problem. Find the fourth and sixth terms of 6, 4, 3 and so on. See here, first of all, it's not at all an AP. Check the common difference. R is equals to 4 minus 6 minus 2. A3 minus A2 is 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So, minus 2 not equals to minus 1. It is not in AP. But, first of all, take those reciprocals. 1 by 6, 1 by 4, 1 by 3. Okay? Now, check whether these three are in AP or not. Common difference. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. 6 minus 4. 2 by 24, which is 1 by 12. This is A2 minus A1. Now check A3 minus A2. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. 4 minus 3. 1 by 4, 3 is 12. 1 by 12 is equals to 1 by 2. So, the given series are not in AP, but the reciprocal of its terms are in AP. That means, the given series is in HP. So now, how to solve the fourth term and sixth term of that HP series? To forget the HP series and remember this AP series, now go on solving the fourth term and sixth term of this AP series. You all know the formula of nth terms of AB, right? Fourth term, T4 is equals to A is 1 by 6, A plus N, 4 minus 1 into D. D is 1 by 6, which is 1 by 12. T4 is equals to 1 by 6 plus 4 minus 1, 3 into 1 by 12, 3 ones, 3 fours. T4 is equals to 6 plus 4, 10 by 24, which is 5 by 12. 5 by 12 is a value of fourth term of AP series, not the GP series. To know the value of GP series, just reverse the AP series, fourth term. So the fourth term of HP is equals to 5 by 12 is AP series fourth term, right? Now the HP series fourth term is reciprocal of AB, 12 by 5. This is the fourth term. And similarly sixth term. Remember the R value is 1 by 12. Sixth term, T6 is equals to A is 1 by 6 plus N minus R. R is 1 by 12, right? 1 by 6 plus 5 by 12. Do the LCM, we get 7 by 12. So 7 by 12 is the sixth term of the AP series. Now find the HP series sixth term by doing the reciprocal of AP series sixth term. T6 is 12 by 7. Okay? But sum of the HP series is not equals to the reciprocal of AP series. Do remember that? That's it for today. In the next video, we will discuss arithmetic mean, geometric mean and harmonic mean. Please like, share and subscribe Satya News channel. If there are any comments or suggestions, please drop them in the comment box. Thank you.